So we have successfully completed load runner, right? So anyone have any doubt regarding load runner? Everyone good, right? So we have the multiple tools in the market, perform testing point of view. So one is the load runner. Already first day class we explained, right? Load runner, JMeter, Neoload, SOASTA, some IBM like rational protocol. We have so different tools will be there. So based on the their client requirement, they are using from the like load runner or JMeter or Neoload, whatever may be. So in our like classes, right, we are successfully completed load runner. So additionally, I'm giving for the one more tool for that is the JMeter. It is a actually open source tool. Means this JMeter anyone can download it, and after that you can just install and you can use. That is a free of cost. So it is that is why it is a open source tool. So JMeter is also one of the performance testing tool. So how you are done the like testing in the perform testing in the load runner, like you done the scripting and after that you done the execution, after that you are prepare the results. Same way here also we need to do for the same step. The difference is that is the one different tool and this is the one different tool, and some terminology will be different, and as same to the some UI will be different. So but everything will be same only. Okay, so today we can starting the JMeter. Okay, anyone have any idea JMeter? Hello. So JMeter. So JMeter is also one of the performance testing tool. So using that also we can do the performance testing. So JMeter, which applications we can do means what are the Java based applications will be there. Those applications we can test using for the JMeter. It is a pure Java based application. It will support the JMeter. So it's a open source tool. As someone is developed this one, everyone can download from the like in our Google and Google. Otherwise, Apache JMeter is the one official website will be there. You can go there and you can download it, and you can use from the scripting point of view, execution as a performance testing point of view. You can do like all Java based applications. We can do the JMeter. So JMeter it will support from the
Only Java?
yes web scripts. Okay.
Other language?
Yeah,
Other
other
language not
languages
support?
it will not support. Webs like
PHP, .NET.
yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
So you can assume. So just this is the mainly for the Java point of only, but some like web applications also it will support. That is that depends on
Load
the
runner, sir? Load runner?
yeah load runner. It will support multiple. If it is a
Multiple. Okay.
.NET or whatever maybe, it is a SAP protocol.
Okay.
It is a any protocol it will support. So you want to from the different protocol means load runner you need to buy the license protocol.
Okay. Okay.
But here JMeter we don't need to buy any license, and it will not support from the multiple things. Like websites we can test from the using for the these JMeter websites. So websites nothing but HTTP and HTTPS request. HTTP and HTTPS. Yes. And it will support from the web services also. Already we seen, right? Same web service also it will support. And it will support from the REST and same thing. How we did in load runner, right? Same REST and so it will support. And we have the database servers also, it will support this. Database servers. Okay. So we have the like some like we are written right local file operation. Same way we want to write any scripting part means we need to use from the some shell scripting here. We can call it as a shell scripting. Okay. So this is the protocols it will support from the applications, it will support from the JMeter. What are that? Websites, nothing but HTTP, HTTPS, and web services, REST and SOAP, and database point of view it will support, and cell scripting it will support. Okay. Like JMeter, if you want to do the JMeter testing means, first of all, you need to, in your system, inbuilt JMeter is there. If it is not there, you need to install, not JMeter, Java. Okay. Before install the JMeter, you should be check from the your system Java. If it is there, not there, you can check from the your system Java. So once you can check the Java, right? If it is there, then you can, after that, you can download from the JMeter. Okay. So for example, in my system, how to we can check in my system Java is there, not there means, just open from the command prompt. Okay. Open the command prompt and just type Java. If it is there, you are able to see the, like, if it is not there, you will get from the some, it is internal, external command you will get. But you can observe now all files will be version and everything is displayed from the here. Means in my system Java is there. First of all, prerequisite, one of the prerequisite in our system Java is there, not there, you can check. If it is not there, you should be install the Java. Okay, so just you can assume to the, like JDK, we have the JDK 1.8 above, we need to install the Java. So just you can go to the like Google. Okay, just you can download it from the here. You want Java means you can type from the download Java. Okay, Java download for Windows. Okay, and after that you can see this official website, download from Java. This all will be, you can just click on this download, then you are able to download. And after that, once it is downloaded, right, you can go to that folder and just click on next. You are able to, installation is completed from the Java. So if it is done, then you can check from the, if in my system it is Java there, not there, you can check. Now it will be there. Then we need to go to the Apache JMeter. Now we need to download the Apache JMeter. Same thing, you can go to the Google and we need to give from the Apache JMeter. Okay, for Windows you can give. Okay, then we can have the Apache JMeter official website will be there. If you click on that, we are able to see the Apache JMeter. This is the current version. Apache JMeter 5.62 is the current version, and it is supporting from the Java 8 plus. Okay, and these all the, we have the files. You can select from the zip file and you can download. We have the binaries will be there, source will be there. In the binaries, you need to select from the this Apache JMeter and just you can select, click on this and automatically will download it. So once we can download it, we are able to see the, in my system already is there. So that is why I'm not downloading again. Okay, we can see the here JMeter. Okay. Here not there. In downloads, I think. Okay. See, this is the Apache JMeter. Everyone able to see? This is already I like 5.5 times I downloaded. So once you can download it, just you can select here and after that extract here. Then it will extract from this JMeter and we are able to see the here Apache JMeter. So once you can observe here. So this is the, after extracted, we are able to see the JMeter. Okay, so installation nothing but we don't have any installation for this. Just you can extract, but the prerequisites is Java is there only. You are able to open the JMeter. Otherwise, you are unable to open. Just open this JMeter And here, once open the JMeter, here we have the different folders will be there. There you need to go to the bin folder. Okay, here Apache JMeter executable jar file will be there, right? You need to open this Apache JMeter. So just double click it. If it is Java is there only, you are able to open. Otherwise, you are unable to open the JMeter. Okay. So see, once open the JMeter, we are able to see the like this. This is the JMeter. So now we can like in your system, all things will be there like Java. And after that Java is completed, we can go to the our JMeter. Once we can extract this, we are able to see the folder. This is the, see, you can observe. This is the Apache JMeter. You need to open this, and here we have the bin folder will be there. Here we have the Apache JMeter executable jar file. You need to open this. Once open this, you are able to see the window like this. Okay. So now we need to do for the scripting. So how do we can do the scripting means we have the predefined template will be there. Like automatically template will come. Just click on template. And here you need to select from the recording, because we are doing for the recording, right? Script recording. So that is why you can select from the recording and click on create. And you can some host you can remove this, and you can give from the your script name means you can give from the different name also. For example, we are doing from the some Store application. Just I'm giving for the Store, and we'll give from the date of today 31/10 and 2023. Okay, then create. Just click on create. So everything automatically this came. Last time when we are open, right, only we see the test plan. Now you can observe you have the user defined variable will be there, HTTP request default will be there, HTTP cookie manager will be there, thread group is there, and view results tree will be there, and as same to the we have the HTTP test script recorder will be there. Like everything is automatically it is generated from the template. So here in the test plan, nothing but it is a like one of the important thing. Like in the test plan only we can do for the scripting, you can do for the execution, and everything we need to add. So in this JMeter we have the different elements like test plan. So it is one of the important thing. And in the test plan we have the thread group will be there. What is the thread group? Nothing but okay, thread group nothing but it's a controller, like how many number of users you want to execute, and everything we can see here. Like we have the thread group. You see, you can observe if you want to give from the 10 users, you can give 10 users. Ramp up how many seconds you want from the 10 users, you can give from the 10 seconds. So means we are just designing point of view, like as a number of users we want to execute from the multiple user point of view, we can use from the thread group. That is one of the component. And view results stream is once you can execute the replay the script, you want to see the results here means you can see the results from here. Like what is the response you are getting, what is the request, and everything we can see in the once you can click on the this button. HTTP test script recorder. So you want to record the script means we need from the this HTTP test script recorder. So now it is a disable, you can enable this. Okay. Now in thread group, so we can observe recording controller. Thread group nothing but it is a like a number of virtual user point of view. We are a multiple users execution point of view. We are using for the thread group. But in the recording controller nothing but so what are the steps you want to record? Like web script will be there. Like we have the Store application will be there. So what things we can do Store application? We can launch, login. What are the steps you need to perform? You need to, it will record in the within the recording controller. If you select test script recorder, you can observe here target controller will be there. So record target controller, you can select from the here. Use recording controller means everything is recorded in the recording controller. You can give from the test plan in the thread group, it will record. Otherwise, if you give from the like this test plan, in the test plan, thread group, recording controller you want. So we need to select from the this. Okay. After that, we need to click on start record button. So load runner automatically, if you click on record button, automatically the browser will work and you can do for the your transactions. And after that, you are able to see the script is the recording is completed. You are able to see the script. But here you want to do for the recording means some prerequisites will be there. So what are the prerequisites? Nothing but so okay, JMeter prerequisites. Prerequisites. Okay, one is from the we need to set from the proxy because here we don't have any communication between the tool to browser. So that is why we need to set the proxy and we need to set from the some root CA certificate. You want to record the JMeter means you should be do from the this all things. Like this is also one of the prerequisite like Java installation. Okay, first step actually Java installation only. Okay, and second one proxy. So what is the proxy? Nothing but so you want to record particular URL means you need to see, for example, now you want to click start recording button. What will happen? It will ask from the URL in our load runner, but here it will not ask any URL. So that is why we need to communicate between the our tool to our browser. We need to do from the some proxy settings. Okay, how to we can do for the proxy setting means you can open from the any one of the okay browser. Okay, here we have the settings will be there. Go to the settings, click on proxy. So open your proxy settings. You can open this. Okay, for here automatically detect proxy it will be there. Now what we can do means we need to do from the manual proxy setups. That is why you need to off the automatic. Okay, and sorry, what happened? Okay, now you need to enable the manual. Okay, and here we need to give from the this HTTP localhost and here port number, like you can give from the port number whatever may be 8080 or 88. But one thing, what you are configuring here port number, same port you need to configure from the here also. Like you can observe HTTP test script recorder, you need to give from the same port. Like here is a triplet, doublet is there. So here also doublet you can give. For example, you are giving here is 8080. You need to provide from the here also 800. Then only it is communicated from the our JMeter tool to browser. Clear proxy. So after that, just you can save this. So once you can did the proxy, right? So you are unable to open the anything. If you want to open any browser, anything means you are unable to open. For example, now proxy is done, right? Again, you can check, cross check. Okay, successful done. You can observe, yeah, manually done. So you can close this and open any one of the URL like Google or anything you can open. So you are unable to open this. See, connect to the internet because we are done the proxy. So now you are unable to open from the any URL because we are done from the proxy. Through tool only you are able to record this. So now how to we can record means now this is the one step is completed, right? Proxy done. So in the proxy where we are doing browser settings we are doing from the proxy. Okay, now root CS certificate. This root CS certificate how will get, where you will get means, so if you click this start record button, See here you can observe, here it is a root CA certificate. You can observe root CA certificate is updating. I will capture that. So I'm stopping again. So if you click this, right, you are able to see this here, root CA certificate, Apache JMeter, temporary root CA certificate. So once you can click on this, it is updated from the your bin folder. Like if you go to the your bin folder and you can observe here, Apache JMeter temporary root CA certificate. See it is which date is it is generated also you can observe here. See it is which date is generated, current date. You can observe 10/31 today date it is generated. So means when you are click start recording, then only it is updated from the this. So first time when you are doing, right, it is a generated also, updated one it will generate it. By default it is not there. Once you can click on start only, you are able to, it is generated from the this root CA certificate. So this root CA certificate, it is valid only for 7 days. So means every 7 days you need to update this. Where we need to this root CA certificate import means we have the browser will be there. So if you go to the browser settings, okay, again go to the browser settings. Okay, certificate manager we have. Okay, your certificates. Okay, if not, we'll see the okay. Any browser you can do. Okay, no worry from the any browser you can do. It is applicable from the every browser also. For here we have the settings. Yeah, so you can observe manage certificate will be there. So you need to open this manage certificates, and after that we can see here this is the personal, and we have the other people and the interested trusted root certificate is there. So you need to import from the here that root CA certificate. Once it is updated from the current date, you need to import that. So you can observe here already is there. It is expired from the 8/14 because at that time I uploaded and it is there. So now I am removing this. Okay, remove this. Okay, click on S. Okay, now I removed. Now how to begin import means just click on import and click on next and select from the browser and go to the in our like this PC in downloads. Where is our JMeter? You can go to the that folder. Okay, in download Apache JMeter. Yeah, Apache JMeter 5.5. Here in bin, here you can observe root CA certificate, and SMT you can observe date is current date, it is updated. Just open and click on next and click on next and next, finish. So it is asking from the S, you can click on OK, and now see you can observe JMeter root CS certificate is updated. So it is when it is expired, it is showing. So 1 week it is showing like 11th month, 7th date, it will expire from this JMeter. So means up to that you are able to record. After that expire is completed, you are unable to record. So this is the way we need to do from the like JMeter prerequisites. One more is what is that? Root CS certificate. It's clear this? Or anyone have any doubts? So now we can recordings we can do for now. Just okay, we'll do for recording and we'll stop from the here. Okay, go to the JMeter. For here, you need to start recording means click on start record button. Okay, and assume to the in the where you are recording, we are already given in the test plan. So this is the test plan. In that thread group, in the recording controller, we are recording. So that is why you are selected this. Okay, now in the recording controller, you can add from the transactions also. We can add. See, for example, I will delete this recording controller. In the thread group, I'm adding from the we have the recording controller will be transaction controller will be there. Transaction controller nothing but we are adding from the transactions. Okay, I want to from the 2-3 transactions. Just I'm adding before only we are adding here. Okay, I think it's logic control. I will explain for each and every step. Okay, no worry. So you need to like give from the names also. You can edit like launch URL. You can give from the transaction name. Can edit here. Launch URL. Okay, and after that, what we need to do? Login, right? Login means we need from the transaction names before only. After that, you are clicking from the some pet. Click on pet. And after that, for example, logout we can do for now. Okay, logout. So these steps we can perform. Now can go to the here and we are recording from the test plan, test script recorder. So first one you are doing for the launch, right? You can select from the launch transaction and click on start recording. Click on OK. Now you need to open from the any one of the browser. Okay, you can go to the any browser, go to that browser, and what URL you are recording, you need to give from the directly from here. For example, now we are doing for the Play Store application. Just I given that URL. Click on launch. See, launch is done, right? So you need to give from the transaction name. Again, you can go to here and you can observe also launch is recorded also. You can observe. You can click on this. See, your test steps is recorded. Means you are able to recording. After that, login, right? You need to select from the here transaction name is a login. Okay. And now again go to the browser. Just click on the login. And after that, you are giving from the username password. Everything is coming to the login part, right? J2W and J2W and click on login. And your transaction login is completed. Next transaction what? Just click on pet, right? Again go to the here and select from the click on pet. Click on pet. And again go to the here and click for the any one of the pet. And after pet is completed, now just I am going to the do the logout actually. Okay, I'm not recording entire script. We'll record from tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, logout. So now again go to the browser and sign out. Now recording is completed. Stop recording. Now go to the here and it will be recorded. You can observe launch URL. So we need to give from the generate as a parent, because these are transactions, right? You need to give from the generate as a parent. Okay, and here, and you can give from the here. So if you open this, we are able to see the code here. Okay, for here we have the some junk data also, it is generated. You can observe YouTube, everything is came. So this is not ours. So this is also some bins not ours. So we need to remove from the what is ours. You need to select only that need. Otherwise you need to filter this all. So this all everything YouTube. Okay, this entire will be not ours. Okay, you can remove this. Okay, because some junk data also it is recorded. Again you can see the one more. So this is also pestore. You can observe this is the launch one only. Okay, keep this. And again launch only we got from the one transaction, that is the this is the transaction. You can observe pestore means that is the our launch one. And login also you need to fill. Yeah, yeah, now is good, right? Everything.
Yes.
Yeah, Kamlesh also joining. We'll wait few minutes. Yeah. So now we done the launch. Okay, launch we are done from the. So you can observe this is the our actual launch. For this we have the generated from the launch URL. Only one request is generated. That is the this is the request. So you can give from the here also, we can give from the transaction name also, you can give from the here launch, because this authorization this will be no need, you can remove also. Otherwise you can just remove this. Okay, and in the launch we have the launch is completed. Now login also we have the this is the can observe this is the edge. This is the edge. So this is our URL. Actually, our what is our URL? Some pestore.com, something it will come. But this is the bing.com. This is not ours. So you can check from the all things up to that. Okay. This is also some Google Maps. This is not ours. But you can observe this. This is the pestore.com. This is the ours. Okay. And after that, you have the other things also you can observe and check this. This is also edge. And after this you can observe this is also not ours. You can observe this is the pestore.com, this is ours. So this is also not ours, this is also ours. So now you are identified that okay, this is not ours. You can remove from the up to this. Okay, just right button click and remove this. And this is the pestore one, fine. And this is the not pestore one, you can remove this. And here also you can observe this is not ours. Okay, and only we have the last one only ours, right? Yeah, so this is ours, and this Google Maps not ours. You can remove this. So when you are removing it, carefully you can remove this. And you can observe this is the pestore arc perform, this is ours, and this is the Google Maps, and this is again pestore. So we can remove from the middle one. So now this is fine, this is fine. Then go to the everything is this fine. Login also done. Again, click on pet. You need to check from the click on pet. So this is the Google Maps, not ours. So this is the Play Store, ours, and this is also not ours. You can remove this. So everyone able to see, right? Server name is a different. So you can remove. See, this is the server name. Google Apps, not ours. So when you are record, right, we can filter also. So I will show that also, but as of now we are doing this way. Okay, again this pester. Okay, logout. We can see the final logout also. This is not pester. Some pins got in. This is also not ours. Optimization Google Maps. This is ours and this is ours. So remaining 3 is not ours. You can remove this. Now everything script setup is completed. So now what you can do means, this is the parent, right? You can everything you can keep from the launch for this. You can keep it this and you can remove from the this parent one, because launch only we have one request. Same login also you have the multiple requests. So just you can expand this and add from the one by one here. Sorry. So after that you can remove from the these 3. Means just we are doing for the some need. Okay, just this is also we are keep here, because already we are given transaction name, so that is why this sub transaction we are deleting. Okay, and here also you have to write, you can drag it.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
why it's taking other
Sorry.
means like whatever actions we are performing, that only it should record. Now why other also is taking?
Yeah, see, when you record, right, we have the some recording settings also will be there. So there you need to give from the filters.
Okay.
So for here, right, you need to provide from the what is recording, right? What you don't want, you need to provide from the here. You can add, okay, for example, Google Maps it is coming. So you can add from the Google Maps. For example, like one thing is a very important thing. So if you are recording from the like JMeter script, right, you need to close from the all browsers. Only one browser, N browser, only one tab. One browser, only one tab you can keep, and you can only open from the this Apache JMeter. Only 2 you can keep, because my system I open from the several things. So that is why these all things also it is able to getting.
Yeah, maybe it captured other sessions also.
Yes. So that is why when you are recording scripting, right, you can close all things. Only you need to keep from the 2 only. One is the one browser, only one window. One is from the JMeter. So then you are unable, you didn't get from the junk data. So we need to do from the scripting like this. Now we can observe this is the launch. Okay. So now what is our job? Already you guys will be know. We need to do from the correlation parameterization, right? So correlation nothing but we know, right, what are the values you are entering through keyboard. We need to do from the that thing. So in the launch, this is the request. So some name, some section is equal value. It is coming like that. It is coming that value you need to do from the correlation. So this launch request, you are seeing anything? No, right?
No.
And same thing login. You can come to the login. So this is the some sign form, but here we don't have any value. So means nothing will be, we don't have any dynamic value. And come to here, you can observe this username you are entered. So means we need to do for the parameterization, and password nothing but this is the password also we are entering. And you can observe here this source space FP is there. You are enter anywhere this? No,
No.
right? These values are dynamic values. So we need to handle from the correlation. So for here, it's a correlation. We can call it as a pre-processor, post-processor. We have 2 will be there. If you select here, advanced, and we have the like pre-processor. This is the pre-processor, post-processor. Pre-processor nothing but parameterization. Post-processor nothing but correlation, like boundary extractor. We can call it as a boundary extractor, means boundary based you are doing for the correlation. JSN means JSN based. So regular expression base also we have will be there. If you select the regular expression, like we have the functions will be there, right? In load runner, same way here also we have. Preprocessor also we have the different things will be there. User parameter, okay, JSA2 like Java based things, JDBC, nothing but sir DB point of view are doing for the any parameterization you can use. So these are the types of the like some terminal will be different like preprocessor and post processor, but everything will be same. Okay, so now you are identify the here to a source page FP and anything other than you can search. For here we don't have anything, and here you can come to the next, click on pet, you can observe this fish. So this fish is also one of the dynamic value. Why? Because this is the we are picking from the randomly also we can pick, because we have the different also will be there, right? Fish, birds, we have the reptiles, we have different will be there. So fish also you need to do for the post processor. Okay, post processor nothing but correlation. Okay, now I am using for the that language only, because if you use for the like same load runner you will be not come to here. So that is why post processor nothing but correlation. Okay, and again come to the logout. So here you don't have anything. So now you need to do from the these things, like you need to do from the correlation parameterization. So for as of now, I'm stopping from class here, just a recording and everything is completed, right? You guys will be like, first of all, check from the Java is there. If it is Java is there, you can download the Apache JMeter. Okay, if it is Java is not there, you can download, and after that you can download the Apache JMeter, and after that you need to do from the prerequisites. One is from the process setting, one is from the root say certificate. After that you can start from the script recording. So up to that you guys can practice. Okay, so this is very important thing. If you practice only, you are able to understand from the tomorrow class. If not, you will be zero. Okay, so anyone have any doubts regarding today class? Kiran, Manish, Kamlesh, Babu.
Through proxy we are opening any sessions. So like in each and everything will open after giving the proxy.
Yeah, if which URL you can give, that will open, because you are giving from the this, right? Like for example, you are giving from the doublet. Same thing you are configuring from the browser. So that is why you can open any URL, it will open. When you are recording only, it will open. Man, when you are not recording, you can go open the browser, you are unable to open. See, already now it is a proxy, right? If you open anything, see, open this URL again, it will not open. See, checking the proxy
Okay,
address.
it means when whenever proxy is in progress, then only things will open.
Yes. Okay. So
Okay.
same to the, you guys will be, once recording is completed, you can remove from the proxy. Otherwise, you are unable to open. Sometimes the internet also it is not come. Your call will also disconnect. It happen. Okay. We need to remove from the settings also.
If proxy we are giving, only proxy things will open.
Yeah, yeah. That's right. Okay. You need to do now. Then now you can open. You are able to open this. Any URL you can open, because there is no proxy now. Got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, got it.
Yeah, Kiran, you have any doubt?
So we are using the proxy, right?
Yes.
Our website, how it is opening? Our JPEG, how it
Yeah. See, here, here we are doing from the
server,
giving from the,
JMeter,
let's see,
address.
port we are giving. See, doublet
Okay.
port we are giving. So means this communication happen from the this Apache JMeter tool to your browser.
Okay.
Yeah, that communication will happen. So for here you can
We are
observe.
giving
Yeah.
we are giving to direct to the internet settings.
Yes.
This
Yes.
port number.
Yes, sir.
So then okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to like no need from the any unwanted URLs means you can add here. Then it will filter from the when your recording is completed. It will not record. It will be excluded. Okay.
Okay.